Today I am reviewing the Whynter ICM-200LS automatic ice cream maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who enjoys homemade desserts, or you've ever wished you could make restaurant-quality ice cream, gelato, or sorbet right in your kitchen, the Whynter ICM-200LS automatic ice cream maker is one of those appliances that genuinely changes the way you think about frozen desserts. Unlike traditional ice cream machines that require you to pre-freeze bowls for 12 to 24 hours, this model takes a completely different approach thanks to its built-in compressor system. That single feature alone is what separates it from many budget machines on the market. Let's break down what makes this machine so impressive in real-world use. First, the biggest advantage is right in the design: the self-freezing compressor technology. This means you don't need to plan ahead or freeze any container before use. You simply add your ingredients, turn the machine on, and it starts cooling and churning immediately. This makes the process incredibly convenient, especially if you suddenly get a craving for ice cream or want to prepare dessert for guests without waiting hours or even a full day. The machine has a 2.1 quart capacity, which is quite generous for a home ice cream maker. This is enough to produce multiple servings in a single batch, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. Whether you're making classic vanilla ice cream, rich chocolate gelato, or refreshing fruit sorbet, the capacity allows you to experiment without constantly running multiple cycles. One of the standout aspects of this Whynter model is its consistency and control over texture. Because it uses a built-in compressor and a steady churning system, the freezing process is much more controlled compared to manual or pre-freeze bowl machines. The result is smoother ice cream with fewer ice crystals, which is what you typically expect from premium store-bought or artisan desserts. The machine also features a user-friendly LCD digital control panel with a timer, which makes operation straightforward even if you've never used an ice cream maker before. You simply set your time, choose your recipe, and let the machine handle the rest. The interface is simple, clean, and very intuitive, so there's no complicated learning curve involved. Another useful feature is the extended cooling function. After your ice cream has finished churning, the machine continues to keep it cold for a certain period of time. This prevents your freshly made dessert from melting quickly, which is a common problem with lower-end machines. It also gives you flexibility if you're not ready to serve immediately. In terms of build quality, the Whynter ICM-200LS feels solid and premium. It comes with a stainless steel exterior, which not only gives it a modern and professional kitchen appearance, but also makes it durable and easy to clean. The design is minimalistic yet elegant, so it doesn't look out of place on a kitchen counter. Inside, the machine uses a BPA-free churn blade, which ensures safe food contact while maintaining efficient mixing and freezing. This is especially important for users who are health-conscious or frequently make frozen treats for family and children. Another important feature is the motor protection function, which helps prevent overheating and damage during extended use. This is particularly useful if you're making multiple batches or experimenting with different recipes in one session. It adds a layer of safety and longevity to the machine, which is always a good sign for long-term investment. Now let's talk about performance in practical terms. Using this machine is actually very straightforward. You add your base mixture, whether it's cream, milk, sugar, fruit puree, or any custom recipe, and the machine immediately starts cooling and churning. Within a relatively short period of time, you'll begin to see your mixture thickening into ice cream. Depending on the recipe and temperature, most batches are ready within 30 to 60 minutes. The texture it produces is noticeably creamy, especially when compared to cheaper freezer bowl machines. Because of the continuous cooling system, the freezing process is even and controlled, which helps avoid that grainy or icy texture that often ruins homemade ice cream. One of the most enjoyable aspects of using this machine is the customization potential. You're not limited to pre-made mixes. You can add fresh fruits, chocolate chips, nuts, cookies, syrups, or any ingredients you like during the mixing process. This allows you to create completely personalized flavors that are not available in stores. In terms of noise, the machine does produce some sound during operation, which is expected for a compressor-based system. However, It is not excessively loud and is generally comparable to a small kitchen appliance like a blender or air fryer running at medium intensity. Cleaning is also fairly manageable. The removable parts are easy to rinse and wipe down after use, and the stainless steel exterior can be cleaned with a simple cloth. Since there is no need for pre-freezing bowls or messy ice, cleanup is actually simpler than many traditional alternatives. So, who is this machine really for? If you love desserts and want full control over ingredients, flavor, and texture, this is an excellent choice. It's also ideal for families, home entertainers, or anyone who enjoys experimenting with recipes. Even if you're not an experienced cook, the machine makes the process simple enough that you can still achieve great results on your first try. It is also perfect for people who want to avoid store-bought ice cream due to dietary preferences or ingredient control. Since you decide exactly what goes into your recipe, it's much easier to create healthier or more specialized versions of your favorite frozen treats. Overall, the Whynter ICM-200LS ice cream maker stands out because it combines convenience, performance, and quality in a single appliance. The built-in compressor removes one of the biggest frustrations of home ice cream making, while the consistent churning and cooling system ensures smooth and creamy results. If you're serious about homemade ice cream and want something that feels close to a professional setup without complicated steps, this machine delivers a very satisfying experience. It's not just a kitchen gadget, it's a tool that genuinely elevates how you make desserts at home.